We know that intrinsic means undoped, and it should be clear to you by now that in intrinsic semiconductors, holes and electrons are charge carriers which are present in same concentration. Formula for finding free electron concentration is similarly formula for finding hole concentration is also we know in intrinsic semiconductors hole concentration is equal to free electron concentration. The most famous symbol that is used for representing intrinsic carrier concentration is Ni, which is obviously equal to N0 as well as P0. Now, if you multiply Ni with itself and in the right hand side of the equation, we will put the value of one Ni to be equal to N0 and the other Ni to be equal to P0. Therefore, Ni square is equal to N0 into P0. Putting the value of N0 and P0, we will get finally intrinsic carrier concentration Ni comes out to be equal to under root Nc into Nv into exponential of minus band gap energy divided by 2 kT, where band gap energy is equal to Ec minus Ev. In books, you may see this formula in other forms like intrinsic carrier concentration is equal to A multiplied by temperature raised to the power 3 by 2 into exponential of minus band gap energy divided by 2 kT. Here, A is a material dependent constant. Let this equation be first equation and this equation be second, as we know the values of Nc and Nv, which are now putting these values of Nc and Nv in the first equation, we will get if you separate the temperature term, then we will get let this equation be third equation. Now comparing the second and third equation, we will get the value of A to be equal to A is a parameter which is considered as material dependent and temperature independent. A is dependent on the material, however, it is also dependent upon temperature. You know already that transverse component of effective mass is dependent upon temperature. So, as the temperature changes, material constant will also change.